There is a solution for what I wrote before on the two Rolex, the two small wheels of a grinder, belt grinder, which is dancing. I rang a professional mechanist. Actually, he was the one that made me by then all the wheels of the grinder. And what he told me was simple. You should have done it between 2 points without opening the whole system. It means take a piece of metal, put it in your footer, make it into a cone, into a point, then took off the bearing from the small wheels, and now put it between the 2 points, the back point and the one that is already in the footer. The contact between the metal, the steel point with the aluminum is enough to create friction as to form a drive, which would rotate the aluminum small wheel and would be enough to give it a cut. It's actually a tiny, tiny cut of the 22/100th of a millimeter. It's almost nothing, and by then it will be fixed. Thank you for listening.